Hello everyone. In today's fast-paced world, customers expect quick and hassle-free service, especially when it comes to modifying existing orders or products. Increasing the quantity of a product can often involve multiple steps, which can be time-consuming for both the customer and the support team. Agentforce simplifies this process by providing a seamless AI-powered chat experience, enabling customers to easily connect with agents and update their product quantities. Now we'll demonstrate how Agentforce helps customers seamlessly connect with agents to increase the quantity of a product. Let's dive into how this works. We are starting on the experience side, where we have deployed our AI assistive agent, which can be outsourced to other external sites as well. Now we'll launch the agent chat window. The customer begins by typing a message like, "I want to increase my product quantity." The agent responds by asking for the customer's email address to verify their identity. Once the email address is provided, the agent requests asset serial number and the updated quantity. After entering these details, the Agentforce agent creates a case automatically. The case includes a subject like increased product quantity and a detailed description of the asset and the quantity requested. We can immediately see the subject, description, and the asset details captured in the case on the case record page. Once the case is created, it is shared with the representative who will take care of the remaining process. This ensures a smooth and efficient experience for both the customer and the support team.
Today we shall go through the asset creation and amendment process in Revenue Lifecycle Management, the new Revenue Cloud. First, let us look at how we can create assets from code. Today we look at account assets. Then we look at account assets and create amendment from there by creating an amendment code. Once the amendment is processed, we shall review asset dashboard. So in the Salesforce, we have got code. Now this code we see has the products. To add products to this code, we need to click on the browse catalog, and then we select the catalog first, and then we select the products that are grouped in the product component groups. So we select the products and their purchasing options, and then add these products to the quote lines. So we have subscription products also in this bundle. So now once the products are added, we need to make any changes. We can make the changes here in the quote lines. So once this is done, so we approve the quote and mark the status as the current status, and from there we click on the create order button and order is created. Now let's take a look at the order and the order products. Let's take a look at the order details, so that we need to see if everything is populated from the code. So we see that everything is populated, and we see that now let us go the order products. Order products are the same as the quote lines that are created. So we activate the order, and once the order is activated, we can see that the asset will be created. Now from here, so now click on the account, and related account, we see the assets created, product bundle, and from the bundle asset, and the all the child assets are created. So now the customer comes back, and in the middle of the year realizes that this quantity is not enough and they need to increase the quantity. So here we need to go through the amendment process. Now let us come to the assets tab, and in the managed asset viewer, we need to select the parent product and click on the amend button and select a date from which the amendment is going to take effect. Now once the date is selected, now click on the submit, as we are going to create an amendment code. Now we are taken to the code lines, and we see that we check on the code contract, and all the details are populated. So let us update the details field values on the code. And coming to the quote lines, let us update the quantity for two of the products. And once the quantity is updated from 0 to 0 to an increased quantity 20, so we save the code and then approve the code, make it as current status, and we create an order. Once the order is created, order details we need to check. The same process we follow for the first cycle. Whatever we followed, the same cycle we follow. And once the order is created, order needs to be activated. Activate the order, and assets are created. And we go to the and we click on the account, and in the related tab we see that the assets are created. So click on the asset, select the asset that has been updated. So select the asset to see the changes. So we see that when we click on an asset, under asset actions we can see two actions. One is an initial sale for a quantity of 1 and an amount of 100, and an upsell, and an upsell for a quantity of 20 with an increased amount. So now we click on the dashboard. We can see the quantity dashboard, started at quantity 1 and increased to quantity 20. And we when we click on the view MRR changes, we can see the monthly recurring revenue changes and the total amount changes. So this is about the asset amendment process.